In this video, I want to show you how to solve a system of equations graphically using a graphing calculator. So we have a system x minus y equals 5 and 2x plus y equals 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph each of these lines on the graphing calculator and then see where the two lines intersect. Now, in order to be able to graph these two lines on the graphing calculator, we have to solve the equation for y. So let's do that first. So if we look at our first equation, x minus y equals 5, I want to solve for y. So we're going to subtract x from both sides of this equation. If we do that, we're going to get negative y equals negative x plus 5. And now we're going to divide both sides by negative 1 to remove the negative. So negative y divided by negative 1 will be y. And on the right-hand side, we distribute the division by negative 1. Negative x divided by negative 1 will be x. And if we have plus 5 divided by negative 1, that's going to be minus 5. So our first equation solved for y is y equals x minus 5. For our second equation, we have 2x plus y equals 1. We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So we get y equals negative 2x plus 1, and that's it. So if I bring in my calculator, I'm going to go to y equals, and for y1, I'm going to type in x minus 5, and for y2, I'm going to type in negative 2x plus 1. I'm going to do a zoom 6 to see the graph. And we can see here where they are intersecting. We're just going to let the calculator find that point precisely. So I'm going to go to the Calc menu, so Second and Calc, which is the second of the trace button. Option 5, we're going to see where the two lines intersect. So when I get here, we're on the blue line here, and so it's saying first curve. The answer to that is yes, so I press enter. Now it moves to the other line, the red line in this case. Is this the second curve? Yes, so I press enter. And now I'm going to move close to where they're intersecting and take a guess by pressing enter again. And so the calculator tells me they're intersecting at the point 2, negative 3. So the solution to this system of equations is the ordered pair 2, negative 3.